Thinking about applying to the Amazon Associates program? Stop. Seriously, don't even think about clicking that sign-up button yet. Every single day, aspiring affiliate marketers get that dreaded rejection email from Amazon, and it's almost always for the same handful of totally preventable reasons. People get excited, they rush the process, and they completely miss the crucial foundation that Amazon actually wants to see. Their application gets denied, and they're left scratching their heads, wondering what went wrong. The difference between getting approved on your first try and getting stuck in a cycle of rejection isn't luck, it's preparation. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 non-negotiable steps you must take before you even look at that application. This is the exact blueprint to build a foundation that not only gets you approved, but sets you up for actual long-term success with the program. The why, understanding Amazon's mindset. Before we get into the how, you need to understand the why. You've got to think like Amazon for a minute. What's their main goal? It's simple. They want partners, associates, who will send them customers that buy stuff. That's it. To do that, they need to be confident that you're a legitimate content creator who can build an audience and provide real value. When an Amazon employee glances at your application, they're asking one question: does this person look like a serious partner who can actually drive traffic and sales for us? An empty website, a brand new social media profile with 10 followers, or a low-quality blog is an immediate red flag. It screams, "I'm just here to make a quick buck," and that leads to a quick rejection. This is where most beginners trip up. They sign up, get their affiliate links, and then realize they have nowhere to put them. This is a massive problem because of Amazon's infamous 180-day rule. The second you're approved, a clock starts ticking. You have 180 days to make at least 3 qualified sales, or your account gets shut down. If you spend the first few months just trying to figure out how to build a website, you're setting yourself up for failure. And don't think you can just ask your friends or family to make a few quick purchases. Amazon is wise to this, and they want genuine sales from an audience, so trying to game the system is a great way to get your account flagged. By following these steps, you'll have your platform built, filled with content, and ready to go before that 180-day clock even starts. You'll look like a pro from day one, which is exactly what Amazon wants. So, let's build that pro-level foundation. Step 1. Your digital real estate, domain and hosting. First things first, you have to claim your piece of the internet. This is your digital real estate. And it has 2 parts, a domain name and web hosting. This is non-negotiable. While you can get approved with a big established social media channel, having your own self-hosted website is the gold standard. It shows ownership and a level of seriousness that a simple social media page just can't. First, your domain name. This is your address on the web, like myawesomecoffeeblog.com. It should sound professional and, ideally, connect to the niche you're targeting. If you're going to review outdoor gear, a name like hikinggearguru.com instantly tells people what you're all about. Avoid clunky names or free subdomains. You want to own your brand. The good news is, many web hosting providers will give you a free domain name for the first year when you sign up for an annual plan. Second, web hosting. If the domain is your address, hosting is the actual land your house is built on. It's the engine that powers your website and makes sure people can visit it 24 hours a day. Don't let the tech jargon freak you out. Getting hosting these days is incredibly easy and cheap, often just a few bucks a month to start. When you're picking a host, just look for one that's beginner-friendly and has a one-click WordPress install. I'm not kidding, this feature is a lifesaver and makes the whole technical part of setting up a site practically automatic. A good host is the bedrock of your affiliate business, so it's worth the small investment. Think of it as the rent for your digital storefront. Without a store, you've got nowhere to do business. Step 2. Building your storefront, WordPress and site setup. Okay, once you have your domain and hosting, it's time to actually build the store. This is where your content is going to live, and for that, we're using WordPress. Why WordPress? Because it powers over 43% of the entire internet. It's the industry standard for a reason. It's powerful, you can customize anything, and most importantly, it's what Amazon's review team expects a serious affiliate to be using. A clean WordPress site just screams professionalism. Thanks to that one-click installer we just talked about, getting WordPress running on your new hosting account takes literally a few minutes. You'll answer a couple of basic questions, click a button, and there you have it, your website's skeleton is built. But don't stop there. A blank website is like an empty store with the lights off. You have to set up the basics to make it look presentable. This doesn't have to be hard. Start by picking a clean, simple theme. There are thousands of great free ones right in your WordPress dashboard. Just pick one that's easy to read. Then, do a little customization. Make a simple logo. You can use free online tools for this. Set your site's title. Create a basic menu, maybe just home, blog, and about me. The goal isn't to create a design masterpiece. The goal is to make your site look like someone actually runs it. An Amazon reviewer will only spend a few seconds on your site. You have to make a good first impression. A clean layout and clear navigation show you care about the user, which is a huge green flag for Amazon. Alright, if you're getting some value out of this and you're ready to finally get that approval email, do me a quick favor and hit the like button, and make sure you're subscribed because after you get approved, you'll need to know how to actually drive traffic and make sales, and we cover all of that right here. Step 3. Proof of life, your first 3 to 5 pieces of content. This is it. This is the single most important step in this entire process and the one where almost everyone who gets rejected messes up. You have to create content before you apply. An empty website is a guaranteed rejection. You have to give Amazon's review team something to actually review. They want to see what kind of partner you're going to be. Are you creating helpful original articles, or are you just trying to find a place to dump a bunch of links? Your first few posts are your proof of life. Your mission is to write and publish between 3 and 5 high-quality original blog posts. Now, Amazon's guidelines sometimes mention having at least 10 recent posts, but for passing that initial human review, 3 or 5 really solid articles are usually enough to show you're serious. So, what should you write about? Idea 1, product reviews. Pick a product you know well in your niche, and write a real, honest review. Talk about what's good, what's bad, and who it's for. Idea 2, best of lists. Think articles like the 5 best coffee grinders for a French press, or top 3 hiking boots for rocky trails. These are classic affiliate-style posts. Idea 3, how to guides. An informational post that answers a common question like how to choose the right tent for a backpacking trip. Critical point. Do not, I repeat, do not include any Amazon affiliate links in these initial posts. You don't have them yet, and the whole point of this content is to get approved. It's here to prove you can create value for a reader. That is all Amazon cares about at this stage. You can and will add your links later, right after you get that approval email, and it has to be original. Don't copy and paste from other sites. Write it yourself. This shows Amazon you're going to be a valuable partner for their customers, not just another low-effort website. So, let's recap the 3 non-negotiable steps. 1. Get your digital real estate, a professional domain and a solid web host. 2. Build your storefront, install WordPress and set up a clean, presentable site. 3. Provide proof of life. Write and publish 3 to 5 original, high-quality articles without any affiliate links. When you do these 3 things, just look at what you have. A live, functioning website with a professional name, a clean design, and a small library of genuinely helpful content. Now, when you go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com to sign up, and they ask for your website URL, you can paste it in with total confidence. The Amazon reviewer will land on your site and see a serious, legitimate partner who is already creating value. They'll see a platform that's ready to go. You've answered their most important question before they even had to ask it. This is how you get approved on your first try. And once you're in, that 180-day clock starts, but you're not starting from zero. You've got a live site and content ready to go. You can immediately go back into those first few posts, add your shiny new affiliate links, and start focusing on getting those first 3 sales. You've just turned a stressful deadline into a massive head start. Don't be one of the countless people who get that rejection email. Do the work up front. Build the foundation first. If you're ready to get started, I've put a link in the description to my recommended hosting provider that gives you that free domain and the one-click WordPress install to make this all as easy as possible. Now that you know how to get approved, your very next step is to learn how to write an article that actually gets clicks and sales. Don't forget to check out my channel for more tips and affiliate marketing strategies to help you start and build your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.